Hi everyone, I'm Cheryl and today I'm going to show you how to make Oreo cookies. These are soft, chewy and have Oreo pieces inside. Let's get started.
Before we start, here are all the ingredients we need. 280 grams of all-purpose flour, 3 grams of baking soda, 3 grams of salt, 226 grams of unsalted butter, 200 grams of brown sugar, 100 grams of white sugar, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 2 large eggs, 180 grams of chopped Oreo cookies, 170 grams of sweet chocolate chips. First, we need to preheat the oven to 175 degrees Celsius. That way, it will be ready when our cookies are. In the bowl, I'm adding flour, baking soda, and salt. Now mix them together and set it aside. Now in a bigger bowl, I have soft butter. I'm adding brown sugar and white sugar. Let's mix this until it's nice and fluffy. Next, I'm cracking eggs into the bowl, one at a time. Mix after each egg. Then, add vanilla extract and mix again. Now, we slowly add our dry ingredients into the wet mixture. Stir until everything is just combined. Here comes the best part. I have crushed Oreo cookies and chocolate chips. Let's add them in and mix gently. Look at all those yummy pieces. Now, let's take a spoon and scoop some cookie dough. Roll it into a ball and place it on the baking tray. Make sure to leave space between them because they will spread. Time to bake. Put the tray in the oven and bake for about 10 to 12 minutes until the edges are slightly golden. Once they are done, take them out and let them cool for a bit. It's hard to wait, but trust me, it's worth it.
And that's it. We made our soft and delicious Oreo cookie. Thanks for watching. I hope you try this recipe at home. See you next time. Bye!